the last day. So we turn it into a matrix, matrices. So we just use the coefficients here. So 1x, 3y, that looks like a 2, but it's minus 1, z, and 15.
15.
Isn't it a 15?
No, it's a different question. Oh.
2x, 1, 1, 7, and 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0 are the coefficients, and answer. Put a line here to represent the equal sign. So we can, if you're looking at one of these things, you know that this 1 refers to 1y, and this minus 1 refers to minus 1z. Now what we do is we look to try and transform this somehow into something that looks like this. And all these other spaces are just filled with numbers. So if we get it like this, we know that then this is 1z is equal to a number, and once I know what 1z is, I can sub it in here for this z and find what y is, and so on.
Okay.
So we have to get in that form by multiplying the lines or subtracting the lines, yeah.
So when you try to get it in the form of the answer column, you leave it blank.
No,
It's on
there's numbers here. This is just numbers. I don't care what these numbers are. So it might be 7, 9, 2, 15 over 2, 3, and 4. These might be random numbers, but we want, these numbers don't matter. Getting the 3 zeros here is key. That's the key thing. You can probably survive if this wasn't a 1 and this wasn't a 1, but it's easier it is. Okay, so how do we do that? We do some sort of manipulation using the rows, subtracting or adding the rows, a bit like elimination when we do, what's that called? Simultaneous equations. Okay, so there's a 1 here already, so that's sweet. I'm just going to rewrite this line. This kind of looks fine. So we got 1 and then number, number, number. That's okay. This 2 needs to go. So we start off by trying to deal with this column first. We try and get these to 1, 0, 0 first. So how do I get this down to 0? Well, I go, right, I'm going to take row 2, and I'm going to subtract 2 row 1s from it. A bit like in simultaneous equations, when you got x plus 2y is equal to 7, and you have 6x minus y is equal to 3. What you might do is, if I add 2 of these rows to this, the y's will disappear. If I double this, make this 2, the y's are going to disappear. Same thing here. So what I'm going to do is row 2, take away row 1, but I'm just going to deal with the coefficients. So row 2, take away this is 0. This is what I wanted.
But 2 row 1s.
2, it has to be twice row 1, yeah. Otherwise, it'll just be 2 take away 1, which will give 1, which I don't want. I need a 0. 1 take away twice this is negative 5.
So, but you have to do it to every...
Yes. Yes, the same as you would do here. You wouldn't just double the y. You'd have to double this and add and subtract it, yeah. So I've wrote, take away 2 of these. I think that's 3, is it? 1 minus 2 times that is 3. And this is 7, take away twice this is negative 23, I think.
Yes.
Okay. And we're going to do pretty much a very similar thing here. So I'm going to use row 1 again. Use row 1 here.
Am I going, how did you get 3? Oh, because you minus.
Yeah, minus to minus, yeah. Row 3, take away row 1. We see that will work nicely for us here. So we're going to use row 1 twice in this first iteration. So
Okay.
1 take away 1 is, yeah.
And for the answer for 23,
Mhm.
what did you do? 7 take
Yeah.
away 30.
7 take away 30, yeah. So row this, take away twice this. Row 2, take away twice row 1. That's what this stands for. This stands for row 3, take away row 1. So just take away these numbers from each other, or subtract. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 3. Minus 4. Minus 2 minus 1.
1 minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus 2 minus a minus 1 would be minus 2, add 1. And 0 minus 15 is just minus 15. Fantastic.
But we're not done.
We are not done. So we're nearly there. We need to get another 0, a 1 and a 0. Next.
So then you go like
So 5
row
minus row
Yeah.
So row 2.
So notice wait, we've used all these. We've used up this. We've done this to form this. Now we're going to use this to form the next one.
Oh, no.
We can't go back to the first one again.
Row
We're gonna,
2
we could, but it's
row 1.
No, row 2
Row 2
minus
plus row 2 plus 2 row 1.
okay. Which one are you trying to get? The 1 or the 0?
The 1.
The 1 is easy got on it.
Row 2 minus row 3.
No, don't no. You could do that, but
No, because that gives you -20. No, minus row 3.
No,
So
it'll
it
give
is-
you 1. Negative 5 minus minus 4. Oh, you're right.
Yeah. So you have to do row 2 plus 2 row 1.
Yeah.
Sir, can we make this question sound very easy?
I see one.
okay. The way you get down to 1, if there's not, you don't subtract because you're going to do that again in a second. Otherwise, you get the kind of same answer.
Okay.
So we're going to just multiply by -1/5.
And that's
Just multiply it.
You're still allowed to do that.
Yes, of course, because it's the same as you can multiply this whole line by 2 and you haven't changed it. I'm just going to multiply this. Now, this is an awkward number, but this is what we do to get it to 1. That's 1/5 of that. That's -3/5 now, and that's +23/5. It's not very nice, but it is what it is.
So
And now we're going to use these two rows combined to fill in this 0. It's going to be an awkward one. What do I need to do? These two rows combined to make this answer 0.
So that'll be 1.
No, I have to times one of them.
Oh, you're
times
right.
by
Times this one by 4 and this one by 5. And subtract maybe. To get.
That's 25.
So it's just like you have 5x plus 3y is equal to -23. I know these are, all right. 5y plus 3z is equal to -23. And I've -4y minus z is equal to -15. Okay, if I want to make these two cancel, I'd multiply this line by 4 and this line by maybe -5. Yeah, and they would cancel out and you're just left with z's.
So is that what we're doing right now?
Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing now.
But we counted by 1 by 5 and not 4.
Oh, that no. I'm trying to fill in this 0.
Oh, okay.
This 0. So I've got this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done, this is next. Notice the
You don't
order.
just times it by 0.
If you multiply the whole line by 0, yeah, but you wouldn't get an answer then. So you wouldn't get a solution. You get 0 equals 0 here, and that would.
That's nice. That's
You can get 0 equal to 0 at the last line, but that is this has a unique solution. This has a solution. That would suggest it doesn't have a unique solution, which I'll talk about in a minute. So how do I get this 0? Well, if I multiply this line by 4, 4 times row 2, and subtract 5 times row 3 from here. 4 times this, -20, minus 5 times that, +20,
Wait,
which is
4
0.
times row 3?
No,
No, 4 times row 2?
row 2, yeah. Okay, just like I did here. So 4 times this is 12, minus 5 times this is plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17.
I can't
Do that again.
math that fast.
4 times this, or 4 times this, 12, minus 5 times this,
7.
What? 8 is a 1.
No.
12 minus
Minus 5.
minus 5 is 17. 12 minus 5 is 17.
This looks so much harder than it seemed at the start.
It's not. I think you'll get this quite quickly because it's the same every time. And what's my last number? That's all I need to figure out now, which is going to be a bit annoying because it's 4 times that minus 5 times that.
So 92.
I think you went to count.
So minus
23 times 4, 15 times 5. This is 75. This is
92.
92. Subtract them from each other and you get
77. 17.
17. That's nice. So is it positive or negative 17?
You just pretended a negative 17.
This one was the minus and this one was the plus. So it's positive.
So it's nice. So it equals each other. That's a
Hmm?